You're gonna love the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Here's a stylish Santa Cruz that offers open bed and towing utility, a premium interior loaded with modern tech, sculpted good looks, and a calm, composed ride. Let the adventure begin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, alarm, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights. Don't skimp on comfort to get the utility you need. Get the best of both worlds in this impressive Santa Cruz. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.